Can you get your hands off of it? Do you have to touch everything?
Look at the magic corner. Yeah, so let's get some mommy.
Hello. Hi, Malachi.
Hey, Malachi.
What are we cooking today?
Chicken.
What kind of chicken?
Chicken tenders.
Chicken tenders? Are they low carb chicken tenders?
Yes.
All right. Well, let's talk about what we're going to cook with. Stop eating the ingredients.
Parmesan pepper. Parmesan.
Say it again.
Parmesan.
What is it?
Parmesan.
Parmesan?
Parmesan.
All right.
Egg white. Coconut spread.
All right, so first we will mix together our ingredients, okay?
Okay.
All right, so this will be an easy one, but we're not gonna eat it. Let's put the Parmesan in with the pork rinds. Okay. All right, set that to the side.
The Parmesan is yummy. And tummy and my prummy.
So we've got our Parmesan and our pork rinds mixed up. Next, we're gonna get our air fryer ready. I have already preheated the air fryer at 375 for 20 minutes. It is really hot, but what I want you to do is spray the inside so that when we put the chicken in it, nothing sticks. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the chicken, we're gonna dip it in the egg whites, and then we're gonna bread it with the Parmesan and the pork rind breading. We're gonna be very careful because the chicken and the eggs can carry salmonella and make you sick, okay? So we're gonna wash our hands as soon as we're done. Let's get a piece of chicken, and then we're gonna stick it in the egg, one at a time. And then once we've done that, we're gonna put it in the breading and spin it around until it gets fully until it gets fully coated, and then we're gonna put it in the air fryer. Good job. You like chicken tenders, Malachi? What do you like to dip them in? Like honey mustard?
Yes.
Ooh, or some barbecue? How's that sound?
Good.
You're doing a good job. Do you want to get chickens as pets?
Oh yes, you remember we're gonna get chickens?
Yeah? Are we gonna eat them?
No.
We're not? But we're eating chickens right now.
No, we're just gonna eat this chicken food.
Oh,
not chickens like in a farm.
Talent's got it, okay. All right, still filming, still rolling, here we go. Right on the set.
All right, so what we've done is we put the chicken in the air fryer. I've set it for about 20 minutes. In about 10 minutes, we'll shake it around so make sure that we cook all the edges. And then 20 minutes, it should be done. If it's not completely brown, then we'll stick it back in there for a few more minutes.
So you can go at the top and stairs. They can go up in the
What are you talking about?
They'll look up the sky and make a door and also make steps to get down.
Is that a chicken coop? If you were a bird, Malachi,
Yes.
what kind of sound would you make?
Tweet tweet for congrats! What about this? We get 2 eggs for us to eat, and more eggs they'll let the babies come.
Oh, so the eggs we eat, those are different eggs than the ones the chicks come out of, right?
Yes. Mom, what's your last name?
I don't know. What's your last name?
Dunford.
Dunford.
Winnie Comfort. Frozen the Humber.
Malachi, can you get that off the plate?
Yeah, eat it.
So we did end up adding just a little extra time.
We're gonna eat
So
it.
we cooked it for 25 minutes instead of 20. Let's It's all golden brown. Does it look yummy, Malachi?
Yes. No, we're gonna eat it.
Okay, can you get your hands off of it? Do you have to touch everything?
Mommy.
Okay, so do you want to eat it with some honey mustard?
No. I want to eat it right now.
It's hot.
It's okay. It's not hot. It's warm.
It's not hot? Did you burn your mouth? Okay, why don't we wait till it cools off? Low carb chicken tenders.
Thanks for watching. My guys, bye.